Assalamu alaikum friends. In honor of the blessed month of Ramadan, I want to introduce you guys to this Lakshmi Basmati rice and its perfect pairing with my chicken tikka masala recipe. With the Lakshmi extra long basmati rice, you'll experience that the perfect balance of fluffiness and tenderness is in every single grain. Friends, get ready to experience the authentic flavors and the delightful aroma of this combination that will definitely elevate your iftar to new heights. So we're going to begin by marinating the chicken for the chicken tikka masala. You need simple ingredients. We're going to make it so juicy. I added some yogurt, some olive oil, some ginger garlic paste, some lemon, and all these spices that will be listed down below. You want to mix it up really nice and put it to the side. You can cover it. Now let's get the extra long basmati rice, and what we're going to do is we're going to measure, we're going to soak, we're going to pour out this water once, and we're going to go ahead and add clean water in again, and then we're going to let this sit to the side. In the meantime, in my pot I've added my water, a little bit of jita, cumin seeds, salt, then my rice, and then we're letting that cook to the side while we go ahead and add the marinated juicy chicken into some olive oil in a pan. We're going to cook this together, let this fry up, cover with the lid for about 10 minutes, and once it looks like this, we're going to go ahead and take that out. We're going to add 1 large onion and 1 green chili pepper to the same mix that the chicken was in with a little bit of tomato paste, heavy whipping cream. We're going to take that out, put it in your blender or your small little kitchen blender, whichever one you'd like to use, and once it's blended, you add that right back in, add a little bit of water, and in the meantime, as you guys can see, the rice is cooking up. Cover with the lid and let it steam through. We're going to add some same spices back into the chicken, and we're going to add the chicken that we went ahead and cooked up before with a little bit of water. We're going to go ahead and add some fenugreek, methi, and we're going to add more heavy whipping cream, some olive oil, garnish, and it's all done. So simple, so easy, and guess what? On the other side, our rice is all done. Oh my goodness, the aroma and the delicious flavor. You guys know I do a lot of catering, and let me tell you guys, Lakshmi, I know for a fact, 100%, always I'll have the kile or the dane chawal, and I know it will never disappoint. So for a peace of mind, just know that Lakshmi has your back this Ramadan, and you guys can purchase their amazing products online or any Desi grocery store near you.